Last month, I met a woman who started one of these businesses with just $200, an equivalent of 350,000 naira in Nigeria. And now she's currently pulling 6 figures monthly. And no, it's not what you're thinking. So stick around because you'd love idea number 4. It's also my favorite. If you're new here, welcome to Fooby Finance, the #1 place where Nigerians in Africa learn how to grow money, build business, and thrive. So hit that like button. I know you might say, I've not watched the video. Why should I hit the like button? Because you definitely will like it. Then subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so as to get valuable updates like this. And check our playlist. We've got genius ideas. I'm going to share with you the step-by-step guide of each of these business ideas in Nigeria and Africa. And it's all going to be in layman's language. The first is organic baby products. The process is for you to decide your products. There are so many baby products you could venture into. Diapers, baby lotions, baby food, sweater clothes, wipes. For instance, I recently got this wipe. I usually use the normal soft baby wipe, right? But then I saw that there's a difference with this. It has aloe vera. And because of the aloe vera ingredient and the smell, even from outside the package, this video is not sponsored, right? I decided to buy this. This aloe vera alone, making it seem organic, makes me want to try something that is closer to nature. At least making me feel safe, like there is no chemical in this. Now, for your production, you need to use safe ingredients. If, for instance, you're venturing into baby products, think shea butter, coconut oil, and aloe vera. Now, if you're doing something organic, get the packaging right. Order eco-friendly jars, bottles, or wraps. Brand your products with simple logos and soft pastel colors. If you look at this as an example of the kind of branding I'm talking about, the logo is simple. The color is soft pastel. Parents love calm colors, especially when it comes to babies. Now, for your marketing, you need to market with trust. Partner with mommy bloggers and pediatricians to talk about your products. Then you sell in bundles. New moms love starter kits instead of single products. You know, they tell you a wide range of products, so baby lotion, oil, powder, and The next business is African beads, which is a global fashion secret. To start African beads, you need to learn the craft. We're not just talking about the kind of beads you see out there. There are different kind of beads. The good news is you can learn beading in less than 2 weeks from YouTube or even a local artisan. Go to those major markets. If you go to trade fair, you see people who bead there. You can learn there. You can learn at Lagos Island Market. I'm not sure of Arena Market, but I think that there are some people there. But Lagos Island, trade fair are very popular markets for beads in Lagos. Wherever you may be, you can search for markets that sell this in large quantities, right? And then go learn that. The next is for you to source your materials after learning. Buy authentic beads from local bead markets or wholesalers in Nigeria or Ghana. The first thing is for you to create simple designs. Start with bracelets, earrings, anklets. Do you know that in the corporate world, Fridays are for such things? Some offices allow bead anklets to the office on Fridays, while some do not allow bead anklets, but bead earrings, bead bracelets, bead rings, bead necklace are allowed. Let alone the O1 base. I mean, are you kidding? After making this, take clear pictures. Use your phone in good daylight. You don't need any fancy camera or any fancy lighting. Just make sure it's in daylight, and with a good phone, you'll get it perfect. Sell online. Post on Instagram. There are people who are going into weddings, traditional wedding. People going for O1 traditional wedding. You can always post for this kind of audience and they will love it. They will order. They don't have time to go to Lagos and start buying bead. They will order, you deliver at their doorstep comfortably. Join TikTok. Join Etsy to sell to customers abroad. There are so many people who are not Africans that are willing to get our bead. They just want to know how it feels, right? They want to try it on. Then Africans in the diaspora, you cannot begin to count them. Right now, they are your go-to. So if you sell on Etsy, you will sell. If you post it on Amazon, you will sell. Just create a market for yourself. You can also offer custom orders where brides, event planners, fashion stylists can get exclusive designs, because these ones love exclusive designs. Imagine if you design something unique, patented to a particular bride. She'll feel like she's the star of the world, and you can get to charge her any amount you wish that your product is worth. The next is selling portable paradise, foldable mini space. Now you need to choose your pod type. Is it restaurant pod, mini offices, or salon pod? Order from suppliers on Alibaba Or there are some local prefab companies. Set this up in high traffic locations like the beach, like streets where food are sold, or near offices. Anywhere you see them having lots of restaurants or eateries, you'll see that there will be lots of traffic around that area. So you can focus on areas like that. And office environment. You can rent it out or run your own business in it. E.g., you can do cafe, nail studio, or smoothie shop, shawarma shop. Market it on Instagram and Google Maps. Just be intentional. If Google Maps can locate you easily, people will come to you. Make your pod a photo spot people share. You know, you go to some pods and they tell you, we don't allow people to take pictures. Please, don't do that. The more people take pictures, share videos, people will locate you. I told you that number 4 is my favorite. That is the IceCop Empire. Build an IceCop sealing machine. It's available in Lagos or online. I don't want to talk about the price. Just Google it. Get your flavors. Fresh juice, zobo, tiger nuts, cocktail mixers. Prepare them, then seal them up by pouring them into the cups, sealing them, and freezing them up. You must not just create a cup. You must brand your cup. Add your logo so that people can always remember you. You know, lots of Nigerians are now using personalized cups. The gym cup, you guys know that usual gym cup. They are selling for 38,000 a cup. So my sister bought hers for about 20,000, and somebody's like, wow, it's so affordable. I wish I could get it for that price. I'm like, duh. Somebody somewhere is cashing out. Your target market is event planners for weddings, outdoor concerts, office team bonding, and lots more. Now, think of expanding by adding frozen mocktails for upscale events. You know what I mean now? The 1% of the 1%. The next is educational toys. If you're a parent, you and I know what we're talking about. First is for you to pick the learning focus. Could it be languages, basic coding, African history, moral learning? Work with a toy maker. You can find artisans or factories on Alibaba or even local in your country. Now you need to add African culture to make it unique. Use African names, colors, characters in order to make it stand out in the market. You know how some fashion designers will design a dress and name the dress Akonke? These are unique African names that makes it sound like you're wearing something out of the ordinary. Yeah, that is what it does to our psychology. And then you want that Idera shoe. You know what that feels like, right? Even hairs, people do that to hairs. You are buying the same product from another hair maker and it's actually the same. It's just that each person has customized their hair. Now sell to schools and parents. Attend school fairs and offer bulk discounts. You can also offer subscriptions. It will help you deliver a new toy every month for ongoing income because of course toys are not food. So somebody may buy toys this quarter and choose not to buy it in the next 8 months, right? But when you offer subscriptions, the high-end parents especially will key into it. Schools would key into it. And that will make your income steady. The next is African fabric innovation. You need to pick your fabric focus. Remember that no matter how hungry Nigerians are, at least I'm a Nigerian, so I could speak about us, we can't go naked. We would always give space for fashion. Focus on unique materials like Ankara, African materials, Kente, Ashoke, or Togo. If you guys notice that they've started designing Kente Ashoke, right? And each bundle is going for about 60,000-ish. Now you need to source for your products. You need to source directly from the local makers. Buying from these local weavers will get you authenticity and good pricing. Now it is your responsibility to add creativity to your products. Digital prints, African fabric with modern twist. Create an online catalog. You can use Canva for that or pay a digital marketer to do something for you. Take photos and upload them with pricing for easy purchase. People don't like to ask how much is it. They like to say the price tag and then go for it immediately. Now, sell to designers abroad. Join fashion expos. You will see these white people, Chinese guys come in and say, give me so quantity, right? They are not just buying one. They don't buy one because they need to take them home. Most of them are business oriented, so they need to buy it, take it home. Some of them are buying it just to go and replicate it in their country, especially the Chinese. So join fashion expos, exhibitions, right? And then partner with tailors overseas. You can find them on social media. Some are even on Pinterest. Feel free to use influencers. Give free fabrics to fashion influencers to showcase your design. Yeah, And there you have it. We have 6 different businesses that can make you real and stupid money here in Nigeria and Africa today in 2025. Don't sleep on it. If you want more business ideas, we have a playlist filled with businesses. If you like, concentrate on the pricing, the figure. Please concentrate on the idea. That is what will help you. People who are serious about starting businesses are concentrating on the ideas. Number 2 is that we have our new ebook, Where to Invest Your Money, Beginner's Guide to Nigerian Stock Market Investing. This will help you to know where and when to enter the market. It will help you to start focusing on growth, on retirement. It will help you to navigate the Nigerian stock market and make good money from it, earning dividends, investing in ETFs, and lots more. So the link will be in the description below. It will be the first link in the description. The African Nigerian Money Capsule is still there. If you can book a one-on-one consultation, you guys know that. If you want to join the Fooby Finance community, you are free because it's a free community. If you want business clarity, join the one-on-one consultation. If you want numbers of industry leaders and experts, join one-on-one consultation. You have options to pick from. And until I come your way again, this is Fooby Finance.